Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Production and Operations Management, chapter number 10. The learning objectives are: explain the strategic importance of the production function. Number 2, identify and describe the four main categories of production process. Explain the role of technology in the production process. Identify the factors involved in a plant location decision. Number 5, explain the major tasks of production and operation managers and outline the three activities involved in implementing the production plan. Number 6, list the steps in purchasing process, and the last one is discuss the importance of quality control. Production and operations management. Producing and marketing desired goods and services is the key role of business. Production converts raw materials and other inputs into finished products. People often use the term production and manufacturing interchangeably. Production means the use of resources such as workers and machinery to convert materials into finished goods and services. Production and operation management oversee the production process by managing people and machinery and converting materials and resources into finished goods and services. Production system. Every organization has its own inputs, transformation process, and outputs. The raw material and the assembly process differ greatly based on the output the business produces. Strategic importance of the production function. The production process producing goods or services is at the center of any firm. Effective production process increase quality, meet customer demands, provide new products, and lower the cost of production. Production function is a vital function, and production function is necessary for generating money to pay employees, lenders, and stockholders. Production is a vital function. Effective production and operation management can lower a firm's cost of production. It can boost the quality of its goods and services, allow it to respond dependably to customer needs, enable it to renew itself by providing new products. Mass, flexible, and customer-driven production. Mass production is a system for manufacturing products in large quantities through effective combination of employees with specialized skills, machines, mechanization, and standardization, while flexible production is more cost-effective for producing small batches using information technology, communication, and cooperation, while customer-driven production is evaluating customer demands in order to make connection between products and manufacture and products bought. Production processes. Number 1, analytical production system. It reduces a raw material to its components parts in order to extract one or more marketable products. Synthetic production system is the reverse of analytic system. It combines a number of raw materials or parts or transform raw materials to produce finished products. Continuous production process it generates finished products over a lengthy period of time. And intermittent production process generates products in production runs, shutting down machines frequently to change their configuration to produce different products. Technology and the production process. Technology has dramatically changed production. Technology boosts efficiency and enhances flexibility. Robot is a reprogrammable machine capable of performing a variety of tasks that require the repeated manipulation of materials and tools. Computer-aided design. Computer-aided design allows engineers to design components as well as entire products on computer screen faster and with fewer mistakes than they could achieve working with the traditional drafting systems. Computer-aided manufacturing. Computer-aided manufacturing, computer tools to analyze CAD output and enable a manufacturer to analyze the steps that a machine must take to produce a needed product or part. Flexible manufacturing systems is a production facility that workers can quickly modify to manufacture different products. And computer integrated manufacturing is a production system in which computers help workers design products, control machines and materials, and control the production function in an integrated manner. The location decision. The decision of where to locate a production facility impacts transportation, human resources, and physical factors Location is a very important production decision. The ability to hire enough qualified employees and managers in a specific area drives location decision. Each business has different variables to balance and consider. A firm often must prepare an environment impact study that analyzes how a proposed plan would affect quality of life in the proposed community. The job of production managers. There are four major tasks of production managers. Part of the control process involves continuous evaluation of results. If problem occurs, managers return to the first step and make adjustments. Planning the production process. What goods and services will we offer? Determining the facility layout. Managers must decide the best layout for the facility. A good layout can reduce material handling, decrease cost, and improve production flow. Implementing the production plan involves making a decision to make, buy, or lease, selecting the best supplier, and controlling inventory. Okay, let's discuss the planning the production process. The planning process is the first step in designing the production process. Manager must think about the products and services that will be produced and convert these into ideas into final specification. Process layout. In the process layout, the work in process moves around the plant to reach the different workstations. Process layout groups machinery and equipment according to their functions, facilitates production of a variety of non-standard items in relatively small batches. Product layout. Product layout sets up production equipment along a product flow line, and the work in process moves along this line past workstations. Efficiently produces large number of similar items as product layout is shown in the figure. Product layout. The product layout is also called the assembly line. Production equipment is set up along a product flow line, and the work in the process moves along this line past workstations. Fixed position layout. A fixed position layout places the product in one spot and workers, materials, and equipment come to it. Customer-oriented layout. Customer-oriented layout arranges facilities to enhance the interaction between customer and a service. Service organization must decide appropriate layouts for their production process. Banks, libraries, and universities use a form of process layout, but high interaction processes in the service industry are commonly called customer-oriented layouts. Implementing the production plan. When implementing the production plan, managers must think about whether to make, buy, or lease the product or components. Managers must think about cost and availability. The selection of supplier is important to think about quality, prices, and delivery. Inventory control. Inventory control is an important part of production process. There can be hundreds or more than thousands of parts and supplies required to produce one product. These materials can be costly to order, warehouse, and manage. Inventory must be effectively managed. There are two important types of inventory: perpetual inventory and vendor managed inventory. Perpetual inventory requires systems continuously monitor the amounts and location of stocks, while vendor managed inventory is an inventory control function handed over to suppliers. Controlling the production process. Production control creates a well-defined set of procedures for coordinating people, material, and machinery to provide maximum production efficiency. It requires planning, ordering, scheduling, dispatching, and follow-up. Gantt chart. Production managers use a variety of tools to schedule work. Gantt charts track projected and actual work. Gantt charts are more effective for scheduling relatively simple projects. PERT diagram. PERT is a program evaluation and review technique. These diagrams seeks to minimize the delays by coordinating all aspects of the production process. They outline a critical path to identify to managers the sequence of operations with the longest time for completion. Importance of quality. Quality means a good or service free of deficiencies. Poor quality can account for 20% loss in revenue. Benchmarking is a process of analyzing other firms' best practices. Quality control is measuring goods and services against established quality standards. Many companies evaluate quality using Six Sigma concept. ISO standards. International Organization for Standardization mission is to promote the development of standardization products to facilitate trade and cooperation across national borders. Representatives from more than 146 nations. ISO 9000 series of standards set requirement for quality process. Nearly 500,000 ISO 9000 certificates have been awarded to companies around the world.